You'll notice after drilling there's a bit of a ridge on the edge of the holes. And we're going to want to get rid of that ridge using a special tool called the hand countersink tool. The hand countersink tool is designed like a screwdriver. It's got a handle and it's got these sharp edges here that are going to carve out the ridges on our holes. So all we do is we take the tool, stand it up in the hole, give 2 gentle twists, maybe a third if it's needed, and move them right along. After you've cleaned the holes with the countersink tool, you can just blow through them to get any debris out. If there's anything still left, you can use the small file and clean them up this way.